Hello, viewers, greetings. Welcome to my channel. Tag questions with future tense. Part 4. Jard will call her tomorrow. Jard will call her tomorrow, won't he? All those boys will be sitting quietly. All those boys will be sitting quietly, won't they? You're coming over tonight. You're coming over tonight, aren't you? That bee is going to sting me. That bee is going to sting me, isn't it? They'll be rich one day. They'll be rich one day, won't they? Habib won't be coming. Habib won't be coming, will he? I'll see you on Saturday. I'll see you on Saturday, won't I? You'll call me when you get to Dhaka. You'll call me when you get to Dhaka, won't you? They won't need tickets to get in. They won't need tickets to get in, will they? I shall follow him. I shall follow him, shan't I? She'll be singer one day. She'll be singer one day, won't he? He will not go to market. He will not go to market, will he? Nothing will happen today. Nothing will happen today, will it? Thanks for watching. I shall never tell a lie. I shall never tell a lie, shall I? For future tense, negative contracted form of auxiliaries shall not, shan't, will not, won't. Thanks for watching. Learn with Jahangir